Have you dreamt of eating in your dreams? Or you dreamt of being beaten in your sleep? Or you've dreamt of collecting things in the dream? Or you dreamt of being in a meeting, in a gathering that you don't like, and you are forced to eat some things? If the answers to the above or any of the above question is yes, then you are in serious trouble. Welcome back. If you are suffering from any of these things that I mentioned earlier, then you don't need to suffer again, because I've got something that you can use and that works very well, and you take care of these problems that you've been having for so many years. And the good thing about this remedy or this recipe that I have is you are not going to be spending money. You are not going to be spending a lot of money. All you need to do is get the items that I'm going to be giving you and mix them together, and you are going to be using this. In fact, you'll be surprised that how come I don't know this earlier on. And these things are easy to get and very, very simple and straightforward. So it's going to be a cleanser, but this time it's going to be an internal cleanser, because it will be getting rid of all the things that you've taken on, the excess luggage, the evil baggage that you've taken on in your sleep, in your dream. And these are the ingredients. Number one, you are going to be getting rainwater. Rainwater. Then number two, you are going to be getting salt. Then number three, you are going to be getting honey, original honey. So it's very simple: rainwater, salt, and original honey. These are the items we are going to be needing. Now, let's get straight to how to prepare this. If you want to prepare this, just get rainwater. And by rainwater, it means the rainwater that has not touched anything, the one that is coming directly from the sky. For instance, if some people get rainwater, the one that have touched the zinc of the house or the roof of the house, no, that is not the one we mean. The rainwater is something that must come directly. All you need to do is get a clean bowl outside when it is raining, and you get the rain directly. You get it directly. That is the rain water that we mean. If you cannot get it, you can talk to people who get it. I can get you some, but at an amount. You just pay me for the thing and the water and the way bill, so that the thing can get to you. However, if you cannot get rainwater, then you can use well water. By well water, it means the kind of well that you get around us, especially those of us who are domiciled in Africa, the dog well water. So you'll be getting this water very early in the morning before talking to anyone. That's the one you get. Well water very early in the morning before talking to anybody. That means if you cannot get rainwater, then you can get well water. Then you need salt, little salt. You are not going to be needing much. Little salt, very little salt, because some people don't, some people are allergic to salt, or some people for their health condition, they are not supposed to take so much salt. So you are not needing so much salt. Then the third thing is get honey. and this time is original honey. You don't use diluted honey. Don't use fake honey. Talking about diluted honey or original honey, because there are so many fake honey. There are so many fake honey in the market. How do you know? I will link a video here where you can get how to know whether honey is original or fake. So that is about it. Now, how do you prepare this? Get a bowl, a very clean bowl. Then fill the bowl with rainwater, rainwater light, just like all these 35 cl bottle of rainwater is enough, or 1 cup is enough. Then just pour into the bowl. Put little salt. Then add 1 tablespoon of the original honey. Mix them together. Once you mix them together, then it's ready for use. Now, how do you use it? After mixing the rainwater, salt, and original honey, after mixing together, you can go ahead to offer your prayer. Any prayer that you know. If you know how to pray with psalm, then use the psalm. If you are a Muslim, you know how to pray with the Quran, go ahead. Just offer your prayer. Offer the prayer, then you be taking this. Now, the best time to take this is in the evening. Take this in the evening. Take it in the evening before going to bed. Make sure it is the last thing that you are taking in the evening. Make sure it is the last thing you'll be taking before going to bed. Just take a little. Make sure you drink it. It depends on the quantity of the water you have. You can take 1 cup. You can take half glass cup. You can take just very little. It doesn't matter, because it is now a spiritual water. It is not just an ordinary water. You know, rainwater itself is very spiritual. Salt is a cleanser. Honey is also spiritual. And if you mix them together, it's going to be cleansing. Not only cleansing, it's going to be reinvigorating you, because it will cleanse you of all the bad vibes in your system, and you get better. Things will turn better for you. And now, how do you know this is really working? Because a lot of people ask this kind of question. How do you know it is working? You know easily. If you have been eating in the dream, or you have ate something in the dream that is troubling your system, or that is troubling your life, that is not making you to progress, if you take this water continuously very well, you most of these things, you vomit it out. Most of the things you've eaten, you vomit it out. In fact, I've seen somebody who they force feed something in the dream. He didn't know. After taking this water, he vomited jollof rice that is smelling badly. It is smelling badly. So anything that you have been fed with, this water, this special water, or this spiritual water, you vomit it. It might not be once, but just take it continuously, and you will notice that this thing will get out by itself. If it doesn't get out through the mouth, it will get out through your urination or through your defecation. You just notice that it smells a lot. It will be smelly, foul odor. You notice it. It means you are bringing out this toxin from your system. This toxin that is a poison that has been injected into your system by the evil forces. So it's either you vomit it, it's either you urinate it, or either you defecate it, and you notice this thing will be smelling a lot. You can even vomit some objects that you you yourself cannot say exactly what this is. Or some people vomit calories, different things that as people have the evil people have put in your system. You vomit it out. And if you've done this, if you've done it very well, then with time you notice you are better, you get better, your system will get better, things will start working for you, things that have been troubling you for years will get out of your system. Some people have gotten sickness through things they've eaten in a dream. This sickness, if you take this water very well, it will get out. Don't say because this thing is, I'm giving it for you free, don't say it doesn't work. It works. I've just given it to you. Don't say it does not work. It works, because it's a secret, but there is nothing we want to hide in this one. At least I've learned it from somebody or from someone. If I give it to you, then I've not done anything wrong. So don't say because it is free, it's not going to work. It works, and it's going to work. A lot of testimony have followed this. Don't wait. Just be the next testimony. And again, if you have not eaten anything in the dream, but you know somebody who this thing is troubling, you can take it and give it. Apart from that, even if you are not suffering from this thing, there is nothing wrong in doing the proper cleansing, inside cleansing. You know, physical cleansing, that's the one you do, you take your bath. But this one you are taking in it will be an internal cleansing, and it works for everyone. It's very compulsory for everyone. You can do it. Don't wait, because you might not know. There are so many dreams that you've had that you have even forgotten. So just take it and do it from time to time, and you come and bless. You thank God, and you come and thank me for giving you this. If you have been blessed by this video, then do well to subscribe if you are very new. Then share. If you have been blessed by this video, then consider subscribing. Subscription is free. Share this video. It is given to you free. Then give it to others. Let them benefit from what you have benefited from. If you enjoyed this video, then you definitely enjoy this video that it's talking about how to cleanse yourself physically. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.